guys, I just wanted to take a minute to help you get organized with your BookWorms materials. You're going to be getting a stack of materials for the differentiated reading groups. It'll be similar to this. You'll just get a stack of different colored papers for each group. I'm going to show you how I organize it, not that you have to do it that way, just so you can see how I use mine each day, and then you can make the decision of how you want to organize yours. So the first thing I did is I created this spreadsheet that breaks down, starting with short vowels, goes through each group that we use on a daily basis depending on where your kids test at the beginning of the school year. So I put their student name, and then I put an X by the category that they pass, and then I shade in the box that determines which group they're going to be in. And then I have a different file folder for each of my groups. I have a copy of the basic lesson plan that we use, which kids are in this group, and which words we're going to be practicing on their high frequency words. And then once they do a lesson, I will put each set of cards in there for the day, and then that lesson's ready to go for the next day. That is the first part, and I do that for each one of my reading groups that I meet with during differentiated reading. Alright, so the next part I wanted to show you, aside from my folder, is my cart, or my box here that I just keep stored under my half circle table. In the front I have our 2 differentiated reading books in case I need to use them quickly. Inside the first folder, I just have them kind of color coded. This one is my assessment folder, and you'll see all my beginning of the year assessments for each student is on a white sheet. So I have here, I have my student reports in the front. The white ones are the ones that the students do at the beginning of the year, and I have the colored ones are the ones I use throughout the year to see if they move up to the next level. The second folder are just my copies of my informal decoding inventory and my Fry word assessments. I just keep them there for extras. And then I personally use the first grade and the second grade appendixes with all their words to pull off practice words just for extra spelling practice. Then you'll see this is my short vowels, and I have them in order from the very beginning. Lesson 1 you will see here in the front. And then as I meet with them, lesson 1 will go into the back until I work through each lesson. So that's short vowels. Then I have blends and digraphs. Our controlled vowels is next. Then I go into vowel consonant E. Vowel teams are in blue, and so on. And then that way they are right at my seat each day as I use them. Like I said, not that you have to do it, but just wanted to help you out in case you were putting your materials together over the summer. See ya!